In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to buy and or sell a YouTube channel in the year of our Lord 2025.
Oh my God!
As someone who has a YouTube channel network of well over a dozen channels, at this point, I know exactly the best places to buy and sell said channels. I've done it so many times. I've turned channels that I've grown into cold hard cash, and I have bought pre-monetized channels so I can make money instantly instead of waiting for AdSense. Instead of waiting for AdSense to drag its feet and finally let me get paid for my work.
Hacker.
So if you're in a similar spot and you want to get a YouTube channel so you can start making money today instead of waiting for a bunch of time, or if you have an old YouTube channel that you want to sell, this is the video that you've been looking for.
Nice.
There's a bunch of other people who have made this video before, but I guarantee you not a single one of them is updated with current year information because the market has changed rapidly. Old methods that worked no longer work, and sites that people used to think were trustworthy have really degraded. First off, how exactly do you go about buying a YouTube channel? What site do you use, and how does it work?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you want to buy a YouTube channel, there is a ton of different sites to do it. The one I've had the most success with is a site called Tick Accounts. Tick Accounts is honestly the best site to be buying monetized YouTube channels in 2025. And the reason why is this: no bots and a organic audience. If you buy a YouTube channel from basically any other site, when they're definitely going to charge a lot more than this, you're guaranteed to get screwed because the channel that you're going to buy is going to be created and monetized with a bot, and YouTube's gonna know that, so your videos are never gonna get pushed. The difference between buying a crappy YouTube account is like this one. So I bought this YouTube account from FameSwap, and as you guys can see, none of the videos that I uploaded really went anywhere. We're talking like 4 views, 30 views, like just really garbage. And what's crazy is that over time, the channel actually lost its monetization because 600 of the subscribers just disappeared off a cliff because they were botted. Compare that to this account where I originally bought it off of Tick Accounts. And I don't really even post on this channel anymore, but in AdSense alone, it's made me almost $1,200, meaning that I definitely made my money back. So I would definitely recommend using Tick Accounts to buy a YouTube channel in 2025. And if you guys use the code Xavier at checkout, you will save a free $20 on your order. So if that sounds interesting, the link to Tick Accounts is going to be available in the description. Now, let's say you want to sell a YouTube channel. The place that I would recommend doing that is going to be on FameSwap. I would not recommend buying YouTube channels from FameSwap because every single time I've bought a YouTube channel, they have just not been good. This channel, for example, was bought on FameSwap, and as you guys can see, it is not in good shape at all compared to the one that I bought from Tick Accounts, which is in way better shape. But selling on FameSwap is really easy. All you have to do is click on this sell button right here and then click on sell YouTube channels. And what's nice about FameSwap is that it has an escrow service. So that means that people are going to be a lot more likely to buy from you. But a lot of people ask me this all the time: is YouTube okay with you buying and selling a YouTube channel? And the answer is absolutely. YouTube actually has a bunch of features built in side of the Google account navigation to allow the buy and transfer of YouTube channels. So if we go to manage permissions, for example, I can add somebody to this YouTube channel and choose them as the owner. But after 7 days of them being an owner, we can then transfer them to being the primary owner of the account. So let's say you were going to sell a YouTube channel. What are the steps? You would put the email address of the person who is buying the YouTube channel as an owner, and then after 7 days, you would transfer them to the primary owner, at which point FameSwap will approve the money, they will get the channel, and it is no longer yours anymore. And the opposite is true if you're going to buy a YouTube channel. I would recommend using Tick Accounts. It's what I've had the most success with. And what they will do is that they will send an email to you asking for you to become an owner of the channel using the Google brand account feature. After 7 days, they will approve you to be the primary owner, and then boom, just like that, it is now yours. But with that all being said, guys, that is exactly how to buy and sell a YouTube channel in 2025. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I got a lot more game like this coming out on the channel very, very soon. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.